Bonjour, it's Angèle Preto, your French coach here, and if you have been learning French for a while but you still struggle to speak French and use the language, then you are in for a treat today. I started using this energy clearing with my paying students because I noticed that sometimes, no matter how much French the student knows, they will struggle to speak and there is nothing that a traditional French teacher can do about it. So I turned to my paranormal bag of tricks. I have been using energy clearing successfully myself for years to improve different areas of my life, such as finances, love life, and business success. Christie Marie Sheldon's methods, which I'm using in this track, proved effective in my own life, so I decided to adapt it for French learning. By the way, I have created a full workshop using this method as part of my French Fluency Accelerator program, and sometimes, if my client wants, I even use it in some of the one-on-one coaching sessions to improve the effect of the sessions. By the way, if you would like to be studying with me more closely, you will find all the links in the description below. And so I have been experimenting with energy clearing for a while with my paying students and a little bit on this channel on some of my lives because I go live here every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern. And my students have reported that yes, it works. But please don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. So sit back and relax. You can even lie down. Sometimes it's even more efficient if you are lying down and completely relaxed. It is normally recommended not to drive while listening to meditation tracks. However, Christie Marie Sheldon, who is the creator of this method, says that you can use it while driving, and she actually uses it on herself while she drives. So if you're driving, it's okay. Just make sure you keep your eyes open and you focus on the road. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So first, we start by sending our energy up. Just imagine some energy that comes out of your head and goes up, 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 up in the sky, about 300 feet. That's about 100 meters for the metric system. And your energy goes up in the sky, 300 feet, and there it meets an sky energy, and that sky energy comes down from the sky and enters your head. So you can feel the energy entering the top of your head and clearing your brain and clearing your eyes and clearing your ears and your nose and your mouth and entering your throat, clearing your throat chakra so it can release all the blocks that are related to speaking. And then it goes on and it enters your chest, clears your heart chakra so you can easily connect with everybody in the world. And then it goes down into your solar plexus so you feel confident, clearing your belly, clearing your second chakra, your sacral chakra, and then your root chakra. If you don't know where the chakras are, it's okay. Just imagine the energy going down in your body, clearing every part of your body, clearing through your chest, through your belly, through your hips, and then going down your legs and entering the earth through your feet. And then this energy goes down all the way into the center of the earth. And then when it reaches the centers of the earth, it bounces back up as if there was a trampoline down there. It bounces back up into your legs, through your feet, into your legs, through your thighs, and then it goes up in your body and it centers at your heart, and you can feel like a ball of energy or a ball of light in your heart. And that ball of light is expanding and expanding. Now the ball of light is larger than your body. Now it's surrounding you in a protective aura of light, and you can keep growing and growing. This is your energy, which is expanding and expanding. Now it is bigger than the room that you're in. You make it bigger than the building you're in, bigger than the neighborhood you're in, bigger than the city you're in, bigger than the country you're in, bigger than the continent that you're in, and bigger than the world. And you can even expand it a little bit farther, make it bigger than the solar system. And now you should feel completely peaceful and at ease. And when your energy is really expanded, that's a moment when you can feel more relaxed and more confident, and you have the opportunity to release more of your negative energy or stuck energy, if you will. And so in order to release your French learning blocks or French speaking blocks, we will use a statement, a motto, if you will, which is delete, uncreate, and destory all of that. So destory is not a mistake. Destory means that we are removing the story from this. We are removing the symbolism from the energy, and it can no longer affect you, and you will no longer have to live through this story. So for example, if you feel that you are shy, everywhere that you feel that you are shy, that you're not able to speak French or to speak at all in any language, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Any feeling that you cannot remember what you learned, that you cannot think in French, that you might never think in French, that you will never be able to think in French, or you'll never be able to think in any other language than English, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Everywhere you're afraid that you will never become fluent, or you're afraid that you will never be able to be understood by the natives, or that you will never understand the natives, delete, uncreate, and destory all of that. Everywhere you're afraid that you'll never speak as well as a native, so it's not worth it, it's a waste of time. Everywhere it's a waste of time, everywhere it's not worth it. Everywhere you are spinning your wheels and you're not getting any benefits from your study, or not enough benefits, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Everywhere you don't have the right method and you cannot find the right method and nothing works, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Everywhere you can't remember the vocabulary or the verbs or the grammar, everywhere you can't remember any of that French mess which you don't even understand, everywhere you don't even understand any of that, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Everywhere you are feeling shy and you lack confidence, everywhere you are not confident to speak French, everywhere you do not dare to go out in the world and try to ask something in French to someone, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Everywhere you can't even speak to a teacher or try to find help with your French learning, delete, uncreate, and destory all of this. Everywhere the people that you speak to are not being helpful, delete, uncreate, and destory all of that. Everywhere you cannot find the right people to help you on your journey, delete, uncreate, and destory all of that. And so now that we have deleted all of those blocks, we have a lot of free space in our energy, which we can now fill with lights. So imagine that you have a big ball of golden light above your head, and that light can enter your body and fill you everywhere where you have released those blocks. The light is filling your body, filling your aura, and filling everywhere around you. Visualize yourself in a big ball of golden light. And now we can invite the new beliefs with statements that start with what if? What if you were actually confident when speaking French? What would it take? And when we say what would it take, it's not something to answer. It's more like a musing to put out in the universe. What if you were confident when speaking French? What if you could actually think in French? What if French came easily to you? What if you could enjoy life and speak French when you need to, feeling completely confident and relaxed? What if you would feel completely confident and relaxed when you are to speak French? What if you could be understood easily? What if people would understand you easily at any moment? What if you would understand the language naturally, just as if you were a native? What if you could understand the language, the French language, just as a native does? What if you could make friends easily while speaking French, online and offline? What if you could travel to any French-speaking country and feel safe and confident, just like you do in any English-speaking country? And everything in the way of that, delete, uncreate, and destory all of it. Now, imagine another big ball of golden light, just a second one, and it's above your head, and then you can open that big ball of light and fill your head and your entire body, heads, throat, chest, belly, hips, legs, and all the aura around you filled with golden love and lights. And just bask into this energy a little bit, feeling completely safe and relaxed in the knowing that, yes, now you will be able to speak French much more easily than before and to understand much more easily than before, because your energy blocks are gone. And you know that if they come back, you can return to this track and listen to it again, and you will clear more and more every time that you listen to this track. So just relax in the knowing that you are safe and you are able to release any block to anything that you want to do in your life, whether it's learning French or anything else. It works just the same. You have the power to release any block that you have, and you have the power to do anything that you want to be doing. And you are safe and relaxed in this knowing. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And if you were driving, I hope you haven't closed your eyes. But now, if you are just lying or just sitting in the quiet, open your eyes when you're ready. So, how was it for you? Please give me some feedback in the comment section below this video. And don't hesitate to return to this track whenever you feel the need, whenever you feel that something is a little bit stuck. We also have other meditation tracks on this channel that I recommend you check out. Particularly, I am making a new track which is designed to help you think in French, and I cannot wait to hear your feedback on that one. And if you like original and efficient French learning tricks like this one, please make sure you subscribe, because there is more where that came from. And please join me live on this channel every Sunday at 1 p.m. Every week I will bring new secrets from my coaching bag of tricks, and I will answer any question that you have. I can't wait to see you then. Thank you so much for meditating with me today, and I will see you next Sunday.